So you never solve a 2 by 2. Well, this is our tutorial. First, we need to do a first layer. If it's the white one like this, you do 60 moves. You go there, and then you have to find the other ones like this, and do this a bunch of times. You can do this a lot of times, and then second, once you solve first layer, then solve all of these edges. So if we have the 2, that means it's an oval. Do this, and then you have a J curve. You can do this. I'm gonna do slowly. So if you have like this, like this goes here. You can only do 1 or 4. 4. If it's 4, you are done. And if it's 0, yeah, you haven't done. So you gotta do this like a 3 by 3. And then you have like this and try again. There, all the edges are soft. Last step, turn your cube around and you gotta solve like a 3 by 3. So 60 moves. Down, do the 60 moves. Down, do the 60 moves. There, so first layer 2.